Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients and measuring precisely. Use 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar to create a balanced base. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor to lift the profile without overpowering. For a thicker shake, use 1/2 cup extra ice cream or reduce milk by 1/4 cup. Those small adjustments change viscosity while keeping taste consistent. Keep a tablespoon and measuring cup nearby for quick tweaks as you taste and refine. Prep and technique control texture and temperature. Chill the glass for 10 minutes to keep the shake cold and prevent rapid melting. Use a blender and load ice cream first, then milk, then flavorings. Blend on medium speed 20 to 30 seconds until smooth, stopping once there are no large lumps. If adding ice or frozen fruit, pulse 2 times with ice or frozen fruit to avoid watering down while achieving a thicker consistency. Taste and adjust sweetness after blending, not before. Turn the basic formula into variations by swapping 1 component. To make a chocolate milkshake, add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder or 2 Oz chocolate syrup and blend until uniform. For fruit versions, replace 1/2 cup ice cream with 100 g frozen strawberries and pulse briefly to maintain thickness. Top with whipped cream and a cherry or 15 g chopped nuts for texture and contrast. Serve immediately in a chilled tall glass with a 6 mm straw and a long spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.